morning. Welcome to Hit and Run Candlestick and Rick's View. Today, it's all going to be about the Fed meeting announcement at 2:15 p.m. Eastern. That's where all eyes will be. That's what we'll be looking at in the market. The market is currently still in its trading range channel. That you can see the channel by the upper line and the lower line starting in early August and still continuing. You can see how the lows have come down to this lower trend line, the highs at the upper trend line, and that's what makes up the channel. As of right now, the intermediate term is still down. The T-line is still trading below the 34. That gives us our intermediate downtrend. Our short-term trend is still up. The short-term trend is when the 2 exponential moving average, that's that pink line, is trading above the T-line, the black line. So when the T-line is or the short moving average, the shorter moving average is trading against a short moving average or any moving average, then you have a trend to the upside. If it's down like it is right here, then you have a short-term downtrend. Yesterday's candle was certainly nothing to write home about. It wasn't certainly wasn't bullish. We came close to hitting our 50-day simple moving average, but it will be important on how it finishes today. The close will not be that the open will not be that important, because I think that during the day we're going to have a little of choppiness, and it really won't matter that much. Where it's going to matter is at the close. How today's candles close. Is it going to close above the T-line looking a little bit positive, or is it going to close below the T-line looking a little more negative and pointing back down to this lower trend line? Again, it's all about the close today and the Fed announcement at 2:15 Eastern Time. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks. SVNT. This is one we closed half out yesterday, plus 18%. It's still looking pretty good. It still looks like the 50 is the next target to the upside as long as the 34 can hold. If the 34 doesn't hold, what may happen is we see a little pullback, retest the T-line, maybe the 20 simple moving average, and then back up after a few days. The other one, which has been on our video list here for a couple of days now, is TLB. TLB is still working good. We took half the profit off this yesterday for, what was it, 8%? Yes, 8%. It's still running up the T-line. I will look to buy that half back on a positive market and on a little bit of a pullback closer to the T-line. And with that, I'm going to say good trading to everybody. And as a reminder, we'll have our public e-learning tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern, in the live trading room. The password will be 1234. Password will work right after the market close. Good day and good trading, everyone.